It's a listed leading company in the frozen food industry, which sells well around the world with its core products like hot pot meatballs. Its factory production is highly dependent on steam heating, refrigeration, compression, and compressed air systems, especially in key links like automated packaging, raw material pipeline cleaning, and intelligent sorting. The stability and accuracy of the compressed air system are directly related to production, capacity, and quality. With the demand for industrial upgrading, the company used new air compressors to optimize system efficiency, and the requirements for flow measurement also increased accordingly, which need to accurately monitor the air compressor outlet flow of the 3 air compressor stations in real time. Based on field research and technical analysis, Comate customized VFM60MV Vortex Flumeter integration solution for the company, deployed it at the outlet of each air compressor, and simultaneously connected it to the smart factory visual management system to realize the visualization and dynamic management of flow data. Through the linkage analysis of flow and power data, the company can evaluate energy efficiency in real time, accurately locate potential waste in the production process, and optimize resource allocation. For example, an abnormal flow data during operation triggers an alert. With the authorization of the customer, the engineer remotely retrieved the instantaneous data through the PHM full life cycle health management system and quickly diagnosed the pipeline gas reflux problem, helping the customer to complete the repair within 48 hours and avoid the risk of production line shutdown. So far, Comate Fluminers are still running stably on the production line, providing reliable guarantee for the company's safe production. In the future, the two parties will continue to deepen cooperation, create long-term value for customers with precise and efficient solutions, leading the high-quality development of the quick frozen food industry.